Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to change this old hairband into a beautiful and new hairband. To change this old headband into a beautiful one, we are using some rubber bands, beads and one nylon thread. First, we'll take the rubber band, take the nylon thread, place it inside like this. Take the bead, insert this nylon thread through this bead and you are going to pull them. So like this, you have to make all the rubber bands. So after making them, it looks like this. Next, take the rubber band, place one rubber band here. Next one facing the other side like this. So next, you will pull this like this. Place the next color. So this is facing this side. So place the next facing this side. Pull this like this. Next it is facing here. So take the next color. Place it. It should place like this. So pull this side here like this. Take the next one and place it here. Pull this. Place it like this. So likewise you have to repeat them. Next place this one here. Should place this. This is this side. So this side you're going to next. So you have to continue them around. So you will continue them around till you reach here. Let's see how it looks after doing them. So after doing them, it looks like this. At last, you can make one more twist and do a knot. Same way this side also you can twist and make a knot. So after doing them, the headband looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.